Two-stroke motors require little maintenance. However, here's a few important tips you must be aware of when you purchase a new STANLEY two-stroke power garden tool. Two-stroke engines don't have an oil sump like a four-stroke engine, and they require oil mixed in with the fuel to lubricate the piston. STANLEY two-stroke motors require a 40:1 mix. It's really simple. A 5 litre container like this requires 125 ml of two-stroke oil. And if you're not sure, each of the STANLEY two-stroke garden tools comes with this handy measuring container with illustrations on how to mix 40:1. Simply pour it in, give it a shake, then top up the tank on your tool and you're ready to start the engine. Here's another tip. 90% of problems start with incorrect fuel mixtures, stale fuel or contaminated fuel. So it's important to make sure you store your fuel off the ground and especially off concrete floors. This avoids moisture drawing through into your fuel, and it's also important to make sure no contaminants get inside of your fuel container or in the fuel tank of your machine. To avoid mixing issues, you should never mix your fuel directly into the fuel tank of your garden tool. Two strokes are easy to start. When first using a tool, first prime the engine by pressing the primer bulb 7 or 8 times or until the bulb is full. Make sure the cutout switch is disengaged, choke lever is at the start position, stabilise the base and give the cord a good solid pull. 1 to 3 pulls should be plenty to get this baby going. Once your engine is started, make sure you disengage the choke. And here's a tip if you're constantly starting and stopping. When next starting the unit, check the primer bulb to see if it's full. 1 or 2 more pumps is all it should take. Be careful not to over-prime the unit, as this can lead to flooding the fuel system, making it harder to start. It's that easy. Remember, if you haven't checked out our safety video, take a look before you get stuck into the garden.